Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. So today's video is going to be on this wig from Khennyesther. I'll definitely put all the details for this wig in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, you can go check it out for yourself. So this is the wig. It's a braided full-less wig. It's 133 and then the length is mid-back. The cap size is 22.5. It has 4 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the sides and 1 at the back, and an elastic band. Everything is braided down, so I'm going to unbraid the baby hair just to make this wig look natural. And then with this type of wigs, you must pick the right size cap, because if you pick a small size, it won't fit so well. And then if you pick a big cap, it won't fit well around the ear. So just pick the right size. I'm done with the unbraiding, but then I didn't feel like the baby hair was full. And then the knots were bleached, but then they didn't blend well with my complexion. So I had to apply concealer just to make it, match with my skin tone. So before gluing down this hair, just make sure you pull it a little further from your hairline, because you don't want it to slide off, and also because you want it to look natural. I reduced the length of the baby hair, and then as I told you earlier, I didn't feel like the baby hair was that full, so I had to come in with my eye pencil just to make it look as natural as possible. I'm really impressed. I love this wig. Okay, on the hairline, the knots are bleached, but on the hairline, it didn't blend so well with my complexion. But at the back, someone can think like it's coming direct from your scalp. Like, it looks so natural. And I didn't apply any concealer because, okay, it was already bleached. So it looks so natural and it blends so well with my complexion. Like at the back. And then the cap fits so well. The thing is just to pick the right cap size so that it doesn't become small, and because I want it also to look so natural, like You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better. So this company is based in Nigeria and they do ship worldwide. They sent this hair to me via DHL. I received it within 3 days. But then I can't assure you that when you order it, you'll receive within 3 days, because they are handmade. Even when you go on their site, they do have a disclaimer on when you might receive your hair, because they have different type of wigs. They have box braid, twist, fox, like they have different types, and they're handmade, so it might take time for you to receive your order. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video and I hope to see you next time. I'll put all the details for this wig in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, you can go check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching guys. Love you and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.